I design my client website. These are the client website I design, but in doing this design I got something which is missing in Elementor from previous Elementor actually. So what's the missing? There is Elementor reverse system. So what is the reverse system? Reverse system, that means if I going to mobile or responsive version, if I go to our responsive version, and if you wanna display this image above this content, and how you can do this ordering system. And in this solution actually it has in Elementor advanced option responsive. Here it's already here actually it's shows, but right now I see this order option or reverse option is nothing show over here. So why it is gone? Now today's video will be that, because some of my user or some of my subscriber actually facing that issue. Sometime true column in the mobile section need image above this content and content above this image. That time this reverse system needed. So this video will be that. So hey everyone, it's me voice freelancer for actually Faisal Jaman, and I am founder of W3 Army. These are my channel, and in this channel I have uploaded all this kind of tips and tricks, Elementor tips and tricks video and bug fixing video. You can watch 2 playlists, and here you will get more and more information and more and more bug fixing and tips and tricks you will get. Don't worry. So let's jump to. So if you found this video is helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, now first I'm going to navigator option. I will open the navigator and clicking the about page. This is the about section. Actually this is a whole about section. In this about section I take a container. In this container I will do everything. I will do that stuff. Now I would like to display order. I would like to reverse my image between this text. Okay, first responsive mode I will open. Just click this mobile, and now in this mobile I will display this image above of the content. How we can do? Just click this container. These are the container. In this container has two column. These are the one column. Actually these are the one container. These are the second container. So these are the second container, right? So here how you can reverse the system. So just click this mother of container and go into layout and direction wheel. Here you can see this column reverse. Just click this one. I have already reversed, but when I design, that was the design actually, but my client client requirement was image will be below this text. So I just click this column reverse option direction, so it will automatic direction will below of the text. So I think this video was very simple and very useful, and if you think this video is very useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you think this video is not very useful, please comment to my YouTube video of this below of the video comment, and because YouTube algorithm will understand this video is very helpful, that's why YouTube actually this video will provide all those subscribers actually who actually suffered this problem. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also please comment the video. So thank you very much.